Look at that. Look at that. This comes with the phone, the iPad, all the devices. They get a white cord like this. This is an Apple product. Can you believe what I am seeing? This is ridiculous. This should never happen. The phone costs $800 some odd. Are you serious? Come on, you can do better than this, Apple. You make a great phone. You make a great iPad. You are leading the industry. You can't do better than this cord right here. Are you serious? Man. What's up, all my YouTubers out there in YouTube land? This is your boy, Brilliant B2K, and this is my review of the iHome Charge Sync Lightning cable. Here's the cord that came with my device. And as you can see, it frayed. I mean, you can see that. I mean, everyone who has an Apple phone or Apple iPad has experienced this at some time or another. I have an iPad, 2 Apple iPhones, not to mention both of my boys have iPhones. Here's my iPad. As you can see, this is what the Apple cord should look like after 6 months of use, 10 years of use, 20 years of use, 30 years of use. But within 6 months, this is what happens. Here's my point. The iHome has fixed this problem, and the way they fixed it is by extending the rubber material out past what's typically available on these charge and sync cables. They even did it on the other end, as you can see there. And notice the difference. Here's the Apple. Sorry, there's the Apple. Here's the iHome. See the difference? There's more plastic material covering the cord, protecting the cord. Now, they've made 2 versions of this. One isn't quite so long to protect the cord. This is my first one of these. Okay. As you can see, when you compare it to both USB ends, it's about the same. It's a little bit longer. I wish they would have extended it like they did the other design that I just showed you. But it is extended a little bit longer in this case as well. Okay, so different design, same purpose. Again, iHome fixed this. So let's recap. The iHome Charge Sync Lightning cable has 4 key areas that you and I are both going to be happy with. One, it has a lifetime warranty. Can't beat that. It's a lifetime limited warranty, but when you call and speak to someone, you get a live person. That's number two. I hate speaking to an automated system or trying to speak to an automated system. How many times have you got this? Please say this, please say that, please do this, please do that. And sometimes it hears you, sometimes it don't. It sends you in a circle. That's so irritating. And remember, the product performs the way it's supposed to. That's wonderful too. And the design, the functionality, let's think about that for a second. When was the last time you had a manufacturer design something that was not only practical, but functional? So that's my review on the iHome Charge Sync Lightning cable. I gave it a 10 of 10. Hope you enjoy it.
Make sure to like and subscribe by clicking the buttons below. And make sure to watch out for Not True Episode 2.